Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks, where I show you how to get dreadlocks like your favorite celebrities. I'm Gunther the Great. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Trippie Red. Not necessarily showing you how to get dreadlocks like his, but just a little update. I do have a video showing how to get your dreadlocks like him, so I'll leave a link to that in the description. But I did see that he got arrested for something, and that his mugshot, he had very bleached hair, and his hair almost looked like cotton candy, so we are going to review it. So I want to give a huge shout out to... Make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. Make sure to also like up the video. But let's get straight into it and look at Trippie Red shreds. Okay, so in this post right here, you can see that they are bleached completely and there is no coloring in this, but I did see in his mugshot, like I said, and in actually another photo, that there is different colors in his dreads. And just looking at this photo, we can say as an update is that he's not really maintaining them anymore. Kind of the same with how we went over Juice WRLD's dreadlocks. He started with twisting with gel and eventually just got to free-forming. And I think that's what he's doing right now, is just allowing his hair to get some congos or some matting. And a lot of people are doing this right now, not really maintaining their dreadlocks, kind of the messy look. So in this photo right here, you can see his roots, and that is his natural hair color. He actually dyes it different colors because he actually has a very light hair color. Because for the longest time, he would have his hair red, and I think he had his hair black before he dyed it red actually. And it's just for him to add color to his hair because his hair is actually very, very, very light. Now just a breakdown of his dreadlocks in general, his hair type is probably a 4A or a 4B. And how he started them, like I said, was with twisting a gel. How he maintains them now is just free-forming. So what we like to call this is semi-free-forming. He does bleach them, he does dye them as well. Okay, so just looking at this mugshot, this is like the only photo that I could find of his hair being like that pastel pink or pastel purple. I can't really tell just because of this photo is very bad quality. But yeah, it is bleached all the way down to the root because that light of hair color is not his natural hair color. It's more of like an orangey tone or a bronze. He does have a bleach all the way to the root, and then he does have some color in there. And this color actually could come from him actually having a color in before and then bleaching it, and then it made it more of a pastel color. But yeah, you guys, I really think that's the only photo that I found of him with his hair that color. Maybe there's gonna be more coming out soon. But yeah, that's basically it. Let me know who you guys want to see next in the comment section. Also, your comment does lead you into a shout out, so make sure to comment down below. Please like up the video, and other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.